Now, in order to move on, we need to absorb the concepts of technology within this conversation. So, we need to observe the concepts of networking, centralized and decentralized systems. Yeah, this is where we will need to get down and dirty with some of the networking technologies. So first, let's look at the power of centralized systems. We need a system that guarantees things for us because we don't actually trust each other. Number one, it's true that the current financial system has worked for centuries. As with the educational system and the legal systems, we as individuals and societies grow up never really questioning the advantages or disadvantages of the systems that are in place. We simply take for granted that they work and that they serve the purpose of being a witness and mediator in all the things that are important to us. We learn very early on all the rules of the system. The system strongly hints to us the path it recommends that we need to go down in order to lead a prosperous and successful life. For the most, it teaches that you need to get educated in order to land a good job. You have to go to work to earn money in order to acquire the things you need to enjoy life. To attract a mate, to buy a home, to start a family, and generally to get ahead. The system strongly guides us as to where to save our money safely, how to have a pension in place so that you don't go short in your old age. Your money, it is said, is safer stored as cash within the banking system rather than under your mattress. A pension is a near infallible way of ensuring safety and security in retirement, so we're told. These are the sorts of things that were told to us from the very beginning. The system reassures us that we have done all the thinking for you so that you don't need to. And so we go out, we get the job, we pay taxes on the monies we earn. Governments tell us how much tax to pay and when to pay. We pay a level of interest on loans we take out, and we receive interest on the savings we put in. This is a system that works, we are told. All of these teachings for the vast majority of society are taken as truths with a capital T. Truths that are beyond reproach, powered by a system that will never, apparently, let us down. But as Schopenhauer said, all new truths pass through three stages. Firstly, they are ridiculed. Secondly, they are violently opposed. And then thirdly, they are eventually accepted as being self-evident facts. So let's start to understand how the new truth of networks might work.